It's your boy, He Got Shoe Game. Welcome back to another shoe exclusive unboxing and review for you guys. Damn, son, where'd you find this? I'll tell you where I found this swag. From my pops. No, I'm just kidding. I built it on my own. I developed it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me tell you guys, if you like shoes just as much as I do, then you've came to the right place. Let's get on to it with the review. Yes, sir. It's your boy, He Got Shoe Game, back with another review for you guys. Gonna give you my real impressions of what I think about this shoe. Now, to me, this shoe is fire, fuego. I'm gonna tell you why. I think this shoe is kind of just as much as of a hype as this shoe right here. I think this shoe is fire just as much as this shoe, and I'm just excited to just be opening this right in front of you guys and show you how I really feel about this shoe. You got your Just Do It tape, just so you know it's legit. I got this shoe on Sneakers app. I was able to hit, so I got lucky. But let's get on to it with the unboxing. Ooh. Yes, sir. I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait. Oh my God. This shoe right here is gonna change my life. Don't need that no more. You got your original standard Jordan box, size 9.5. I don't know if you can read that. Yeah. Reads Air Jordan 5 Retro colorway, grape ice, new emerald and black. Y'all ready? Cause your boy ready, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying? Got the little drip on already, ready for him. You ain't ready, bro. This right here. Oh, bro. Oh my God. Okay, you ready, guys? Ooh, okay. Damn, son. Where'd you find this? Oh, snap. They didn't have to do it to me like that, man. Snap. Ooh, fuego. Damn, son. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, beautiful shoe, man. Oh, man, such a beautiful, gorgeous shoe. Gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. I can't believe this shoe right here is just fire. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I caught it though. Now let's get this other one real quick. You do have the quality control stamp and your serial lock numbers on there, just so you know it's legit. But here you go. Was it not recording, bro? Okay. Technical difficulties, it was recording. Man, such a well-made shoe. You got a black netting right here. Suede feels nice and buttery. You got your Jordan Jumpman logos in the back. You got your lace lock, emerald lace lock. You got your emerald spikes right here on the side. This is just such a dope shoe, man. Look at that. It's fire. Fuego. Man, when I throw this on with a fit, Ooh, yeah. Yes, sir. But you see what I'm saying? Like, these two right here, man, fire, man, in my opinion. Glad I got these in my collection. Yeah, let's get on to it with the feet for you guys. Yeah.